Hello, good morning. Welcome to Little Peace Elementary School. My name is Kislet Gomez and I'm the academic coordinator here. I've been working in this school for almost 5 years and I've learned a lot about teamwork and leadership. We've always tried to create positive environment for both students and teachers. I have organized many workshops and training sessions to improve communications and teaching strategies. Last week was quite busy. We had been preparing for the Reading Week event for over a month before it finally started. The teachers had been creating classrooms, and the students were practicing their short plays. Everything turned out great. However, something unexpected happened. On the first day of the event, the microphone stopping working during the principal's speak. If we had checked the equipment earlier, we wouldn't have the problem. It was a bit stressful, but we managed to fix it quickly. Despite that, I'm proud of how our team handled the situation. Everyone has shown commitment and creativity. Working in this school has taught me how important it is to stay calm and find solutions instead of focusing on mistakes. In the future, I'd like to continue improving our project and helping the new teachers feel supported and motivated. Thank you for being part of our team.